been a restaurant and an inn from the beginning with the us, and that you will see on the left hand side Alfred Esch.
Already
Advanced journey in Switzerland.
Wow. By the way, this is a portion of Lake Lucerne.
The KKL, this is where the cultural center where you will have your gala dinner tomorrow.
It is almost 7 p.m. and we are walking fast to where we are gonna have dinner. Okay, we're here. We are just on our way, walking back to our hotel, and it is still bright and lovely outside even though it's already 9 p.m. Good morning, this is our second day in Switzerland. Please excuse the mess. They said it was going to be gloomy today, but fortunately, the sun is out. For now.
As if they didn't have a care in the world. Our cows are happy cows, meaning that they are led to pasture as we see them here. There are outdoor cars, cars.
Hey, so our first itinerary for today is to go on top Mount Titlis, and it is already drizzling. This was going to be my first time touching snow, but no, they didn't allow us to go further because of strong winds. It is okay though, safety first, and we still got to enjoy some very nice views. It's already 10 p.m. and we are just walking back to our hotel. Good morning, this is day 3 in Switzerland and the weather is really good today. We came across 3 rainbows on our way to Bern. Hello, we are on our way to explore Old Town Bern, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. I think Einstein's house is here somewhere, but we didn't have time to explore it, sadly.
And the building in front of us that looks a little bit like a castle, this is a museum. This is the museum of the city of Bern.
Hello everyone, This is our fourth and last day here in this beautiful country. We're just hanging out at the hotel's rooftop at the moment. We will be going to Zurich, but we will have to go to the chocolate factory first and then take a stroll and then go to the airport.
And Sprungli Chocolate Factory.
So your back sounds cool. I'm trying to walk it through them.
I don't even have a bag or a pocket.
Add the dinner.
Is this the same? No. They're all different. Kinder, strawberry.
Same thing. I think it's different types of pumpkins. Yes, the next guy has to go. Okay, your turn.
The line for this one is too long and we are running out of time, so we just decided to skip it.
This tree is also, sorry, I'm not pointing at you, I'm pointing at the tree. Now you know by now that I just
They have this really cool tactile bronze seated model, which is really helpful for the visually impaired. We are now at the airport and it is sadly time to say goodbye. And these are all the chocolate and souvenirs I got from Switzerland. Okay, bye bye.